Good morning, guys. We've got this new clock. That one I got from yesterday. You see, it's working. Snooze like button. And then popping up. You see, it has a snooze light up here. You see, this one looks pretty cool. Working on that. It's a purple color in here. On top of that, I think it was pretty cool color, which you could see. 2 batteries, which you could see it's running. And you could see the quartz movement. Because it's a brand name, that one called Orpat, which is pretty cool. It has a speaker, and then it makes a lot of noise on the night, which you could see pretty cool. Turning it, that one, and then it's a alarm. You could see it in that. The second hand moves on the minute hand and the hour hand, or the hour hand actually, which is pretty cool. Making this, it's one time, I think it's not cracked anymore. No. That one, you could see. It's a melody song actually, which you could see. This one, it's a melody color, bird singing. This one, I turned it off for a while. You see, it's a sticker on that. Well, this one I got as a gift. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Putting this on. That one looks cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Like this video. That one, which is pretty cool on the purple. I'll see you then.